Meet Leo, a curious 10-year-old boy who loves space. His room is filled with starry curtains, glow-in-the-dark constellations on the ceiling, and a trusty telescope pointed at the night sky.
Wow! The stars look so bright tonight. I wish I could visit them for real.
One peaceful night, as Leo gazes at the twinkling stars, something extraordinary happens. A shimmering beam of light shoots down from the stars, and out of it comes Astro, a friendly robot spaceship. Astro is round and shiny, with glowing blue lights and a big, cheerful face. His robotic arms wave hello as he hovers outside Leo's window.
Greetings, Leo. I'm Astro, your friendly robot spaceship. Want to explore the solar system with me?
Really? You mean like, visit the planets? Let's go.
Leo climbs aboard Astro. Astro lifts off into the night sky. The stars blur past as they head straight for their first stop, the sun.
This is incredible. Look at all the stars.
Up close, the sun is massive and blindingly bright, its fiery surface bubbling with flares. Astro keeps a safe distance, explaining how the sun is a giant ball of burning gas that lights up our solar system.
There it is, Leo, the sun. It's over 27 million degrees Fahrenheit at its core. But don't worry, we're keeping a safe distance.
Whoa! It's so bright and fiery. Are those solar flares?
Exactly. The sun is constantly throwing out giant flares of energy. Pretty amazing, huh?
Next, they reach Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. It's small and covered in craters, looking like a giant version of Earth's moon. Leo notices how one side is scorching hot, while the other side is freezing cold.
This is Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. See how it's covered in craters? It's like Earth's moon.
Why does it look so gray and dusty?
Because there's no atmosphere to protect it from meteors or hold heat. One side is super hot, and the other is freezing cold.
Zooming to Venus, they see thick golden clouds swirling around the planet. Astro explains that Venus is the hottest planet because its clouds trap heat like a giant oven.
Here's Venus. Those thick clouds trap heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system.
Hotter than Mercury? That's crazy.
You could fry an egg just by leaving it on the surface.
Then it's time to visit Leo's home. From space, Earth looks like a dazzling blue marble. Its oceans shimmer, clouds swirl, and land masses peek through.
Now, here's your home, Leo. The blue planet, covered in water and teeming with life.
Earth looks so peaceful from up here. I can even see the clouds moving.
Next up is Mars, the red planet. Its surface is dusty and orange, with enormous volcanoes and canyons stretching for miles. Leo spots a rover exploring the ground and wonders if people might live there one day.
Next stop, the red planet, Mars. Look at all that orange dust. And over there, that's Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system.
It's huge. Do you think we'll ever live here, Astro?
Scientists are working on it, Leo. Maybe you'll be one of the first explorers.
As they head further out, Astro carefully navigates through the asteroid belt. Giant rocks and icy fragments float in every direction, creating a sparkling but dangerous path. Beyond the asteroid belt lies Jupiter, the biggest planet of them all. Its colorful stripes swirl like a giant painting, and the great red spot looks like a stormy eye watching over the planet.
Behold, Jupiter. It's the biggest planet in the solar system. That big red spot is a storm that's been raging for over 300 years.
It's so colorful. Jupiter's like a giant marble in space.
Saturn is up next, dazzling with its wide, shimmering rings made of ice and rock. Leo leans closer to the window, amazed by the beauty of its golden hue.
Now this is Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Those rings are made of ice, rock, and dust.
They're beautiful. I wish I could touch them.
Maybe someday, Leo. For now, enjoy the view.
Reaching Uranus, they find a pale blue planet tipped on its side. Astro explains how it spins differently from all the other planets.
Here's Uranus, a planet tipped on its side. It spins differently from the others.
Finally, they arrive at Neptune, a deep blue planet swirling with storms. Astro points out the dark spots where powerful winds whip around the planet at incredible speeds.
And here we have Neptune, the windiest planet in the solar system. Those dark spots, they're massive storms.
It's so blue and wild. I can almost hear the wind howling.
At the solar system's edge, Leo waves at tiny Pluto, the dwarf planet, and the glowing Kuiper Belt filled with icy objects. Astro explains how this mysterious area is full of secrets waiting to be discovered.
At the edge of the solar system lies Pluto, the tiny dwarf planet. And beyond that, the Kuiper Belt, full of icy objects waiting to be explored.
It's like the edge of a great mystery. I hope I can explore it one day.
The adventure ends as Astro safely brings Leo back to his room.
Time to head back, Leo. I'll always be here when you want to explore again.
Thanks, Astro. This was the best adventure ever.
Good night, Leo. Until next time, keep looking at the stars. They're full of stories waiting for you to discover.